If your Steam downloads are showing high internet speed but the disk usage bar is barely moving, you're not alone. This usually means Steam is having trouble decompressing files, writing them to your drive, or your storage device is holding things back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Steam's slow disk usage quickly and safely, step by step. If this guide helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials like this. Let's jump right in. First, let's understand what's happening. Steam doesn't just download a game and instantly install it. It also has to unpack the files, move them into the correct folders, and write everything to your drive. So even if your download speed looks great, the install can still feel slow if your disk is the bottleneck. The good news is that there are a few easy fixes you can try right now. The first thing you should do is clear the Steam download cache. This is one of the most common fixes, and it can help remove corrupted temporary data that may be slowing everything down. To do this, open Steam and click Steam in the top left corner. Then go to Settings, and from there, click Downloads. In the Download section, look for the option that says Clear Download Cache. Click it, and Steam may ask you to sign in again afterward. That is completely normal. Clearing the cache resets the temporary folders Steam uses while unpacking files, and in many cases, that alone can improve disk usage immediately. Once Steam reopens, try your download again and see if the disk usage bar starts moving more normally. If the issue is still there, don't worry because we still have another useful fix to try. Next, we're going to check write caching in Windows. Sometimes Windows storage settings can affect how quickly data is written to your drive, especially if you're using an older hard drive or even certain SSD configurations. To do this, right-click the Start button and open Device Manager. In Device Manager, expand the section called Disk Drives. You'll see the drive that Steam is installing to. Right-click that drive and choose Properties. Then go to the Policies tab. Here, you should see an option called Enable Write Caching on the device. If this setting is off, try turning it on. If it's already on, try toggling it off and then back on again to refresh the setting. After that, click OK and restart your computer if Windows asks you to. This step can help improve how your drive handles writing temporary install data, which is exactly what Steam needs during game downloads. Now, if you're still seeing slow disk usage, it's time to check the health of your drive. This is especially important if you're on Windows 11, because slow disk usage can sometimes be a sign that the drive is under stress, nearly full, or even starting to fail. If you're using a hard drive, slower disk usage is much more common, especially with large modern game installs. If you're using an SSD, things should usually be much faster, so a slowdown may point to a different issue. A very important rule here is to make sure you have at least 20% free space on the drive where Steam is installing your games. If the drive is too full, Windows and Steam both have a harder time managing temporary files and unpacking data efficiently. So open File Explorer, check the storage space on that drive, and if it's getting crowded, delete unused files, move large videos or documents elsewhere, or uninstall games you no longer play. Freeing up space can make a noticeable difference. If you want to go one step further, you can also check whether your drive is healthy using Windows Tools or your drive manufacturer's software. A drive that is aging, overloaded, or developing errors can cause slow install performance even when your internet connection is fast. If disk usage problems keep coming back, that's a strong sign that your storage device deserves a closer look. So to recap, the main fixes are clear Steam's download cache, toggle write caching in Device Manager, and make sure your drive has enough free space and good health. These steps will solve the most common causes of Steam's slow disk usage and can help your downloads install much more smoothly. If this video helped you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more PC and gaming troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.